This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Microsoft Word and choosing a template or blank document. Set page size to letter or A4 depending on your country. Change margins to 1 inch on all sides for professional spacing. Set orientation to portrait and set line spacing to 1.15. Choose a readable font like Calibri 11 or Times New Roman 12 for body text. Set heading styles now so you can apply consistent formatting throughout the document. Begin with your name and contact information at the top of the page. Order sections as contact, summary, experience, education, skills, and certifications for clarity. Use heading 1 for your name at 18 points and heading 2 for section titles at 14 points. For each job entry, include company, role, and dates aligned to the right using tabs or a 2-column table. Use bullet points for responsibilities and limit each bullet to 1 concise sentence. Finish by proofreading the entire CV and running spelling and grammar in Word. Check that headings, bullets, dates, and margins remain consistent across all pages. Save your working file as first name, last name CV. Docx and then export a high-quality PDF for sharing. Use File then Save As or press Ctrl+S frequently while editing. Finally, inspect the PDF for layout shifts, ensure file size remains reasonable, and attach it when applying to jobs online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.